No, man, don't flip the page.
Don't
But I'm done
change.
here,
Don't
guys.
change.
Yo, Sile.
Yo, what up? What up?
Oh, I'm good, I'm good. Why are you looking so tired?
I'm carrying these heavy textbooks,
Heavy
man.
textbooks?
Yeah.
Man, what? I got a solution for you. Check this.
What's that, man?
Check this app out.
Yeah.
This app goes by the name of Booksmart. It offers you textbooks. It also got video tutorials.
Whoa, man.
That ain't nothing compared to what it can do. It can also even make you write assignments on it, take notes, and even get modules on what's gonna be happening later.
Bruh,
That's cool.
I'm going to download this app right away.
My man.
A way better app.
Easy to download. All in one device.
6 cool features. Only for you.